Hello everyone, and welcome to SSWO 607, Social Work Practice with LGBTQIA plus individuals, families, and groups. This is Week 1, Terms, Concepts, and History of the LGBTQIA plus population. This course explores how social work and the LGBTQIA plus community intersect and interact. Through this course, we will explore topics such as LGBTQIA plus history, gender, sexuality, working with families of this population, as well as ethics related to working with this community. This is a big topic for one 8-week course, but we have done our best to give you the most pertinent information that will help you inform your work in social work while also providing a strong historical foundation for your practice. In addition to the required readings, you will see that there is a robust list of optional readings. These readings are provided for you so that you can go deeper into the topics that interest you most. As with any topic, it's important to read the terms used in relation to the community as well as the history that informs the development of that community. This is what we cover in Week 1. The learning objectives are: define key terms and concepts from the LGBTQIA plus community, trace and name important people and events from a historical timeline through readings outlining significant LGBTQIA plus observances and milestone events that have defined their struggles to claim their civil rights from a socio-political perspective. It is important to note that there have been many changes in terms and concepts throughout the years, and it is incumbent upon us as clinicians and social work practitioners to stay on top of this and use the appropriate language, as well as be aware of important events such as the Stonewall riots and uprising and the HIV epidemic. This week, you will have 4 things to work on. The first is a self-assessment called Knowledge Check. This is not something that you are going to pass in. Then you will have 2 discussion boards to complete, with one of them being an introduction. Then you will have a reflective journal to write. We really want to encourage you to use the journals as a place of honest reflection. The only person who will look at your journals, unless you decide to share them, is your faculty. Looking ahead, in Week 2, you will be assigned a small group to begin presentations that will function as your final assignment. Please make sure you read the assignment carefully and come up with a plan with your group to equally share the workload. This assignment is due in Week 7. Every week you will have a brief audio with slides that goes over the content of the week, assignments, and any other key points that you should be aware of. We look forward to working with you over the next 8 weeks and encourage you to reach out to your faculty should you have any questions or issues.